Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download brother DCP-L2605DW printer driver download and installation. So first open any browsers to Google search box. Then first support.brother.com, this official websites. Then just click on it. Now on your printer and connect to USB to your PC, your laptop desktop. Now select the Windows 11, Windows 10, 32-bit, 64-bit and server also there. So all the installations process same. Just click to OK. After that, this is the first easy step. This is online. This is full driver with the software, and this is the USB driver and scanner. So click on it, scroll down, download, and after that it start. And then select these locations where it is downloaded. Open this folder, just double click to launch. After that extract on same locations, it will create new folder like this. And open this is your printer driver. Close it, then start to click and type the control panel, then open it and then select the category. Otherwise close, click to start install via setting. Go to setting, then click to printer and Bluetooth and device, then click printer and scanner. Now click to add, and after that it will show the manual options. After the click add, you can see add the manual. Click on it, then select the last and then next. Click to have disk, click to browse, go to download, open this folder, select inf file, which is this one, and click to open. Okay, then click to OK. Now you find out DCP-L2605 DW. This is your printer. Then next, finish. Now your printer is connected. So after the install, so restart your system and then try to print. Okay, thank you.